Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kia Forte versus Lamborghini Aventador. We'll dive into the core differences that set these two vehicles apart, from their raw power to their everyday usability. Our goal is to help you understand which car aligns better with your lifestyle and budget, providing a clear picture of their unique value propositions. When it comes to performance, the differences are stark. The Lamborghini Aventador boasts a powerful V12 engine, delivering over 700 horsepower, allowing it to reach 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. In contrast, the Kia Forte typically comes with a 4-cylinder engine, providing around 150 horsepower, designed for efficient daily driving rather than track-level acceleration. Price and practicality are where these vehicles truly diverge. The Kia Forte is an accessible option, starting at around $20,000, making it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious drivers. It comfortably seats 5 and offers ample cargo space for daily errands. The Lamborghini Aventador, however, is a luxury item, costing well over $500,000, designed for 2 occupants and minimal storage. So who are these cars for? The Kia Forte is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a dependable, fuel-efficient vehicle for daily commutes and family needs. It offers practicality and value. The Lamborghini Aventador, on the other hand, is for those who crave exhilarating performance, a distinctive design, and the prestige of owning a supercar. It's an emotional purchase for a select few. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.